So guys, let me quickly show you how I achieved these 3D petals. As you can see, they can be shaped into whatever you want them to look like. It's either you put beads or you leave them like this. Design them however you like, depending on the amount the customer pays. And as you can see here, I'm done with almost everything. Then I decided to say, okay, let me just show. There are some people that may not know how to do this, and these cutouts are from the fabric that I use for the dress. Okay, so see now, this is the back and this is the front, and see how I'm shaping it to whichever shape, however you want it to look. Okay, so you can just make it, design it however you like, just get creative with it. Okay, so this is the fabric I'll be using, is a damask fabric. Okay, so I'll place it like this, the wrong side facing me, then stay. I'm going to put stay on it as well. The side with the gum will be facing the fabric, and this is the copper wire I'll be using. It is 1 mm. All right, so from here to here, I'm going to place it. Then I won't allow it to get to the edge, so I'll cut it here on this point right here. Okay, so this is it. Then I'm going to be flipping the fabric with the stay to the wrong side facing me. Okay, then I'll place the copper wire on it. Then I'll take my B7000. See, this is optional. I'll just put it on the copper wire for extra hold. That is why I'm putting it. It's not compulsory. You cannot, you might decide not to put it. Okay, so after this, I'm going to take my hemming gum rather, and I'll be putting it on it. I'll be using just 1 layer of hemming gum because the fabric is already thick on its own end, plus the extra gum from the stay and the B7000, so that's okay for it. Make sure the side of the stay that has gum is the one facing the fabric. Okay, so I'll put water, then give it a good press. Turn to the other side, then give it a good press as well. All right, so the next thing is to trim it out, and be careful when you're trimming. Don't trim too close to the edge. All right, so this is it. Then after trimming, give it another good press, add water to it, then press it very well. So this is it. You can see it's looking flatter right now. So if you have a machine that has zigzag stitch, you can use it around the edges for a more clean finish look. Okay, so I'm sure you must have learned 1 or 2 from this video. All right, so share with others, let them also learn, and Lara, let them learn too. All right, now bye, thanks for watching.